She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while. Soon you'll get your happy smile.
George! Come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Help is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.